Hello designers, welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're learning how to make this flare sleeve. So it's a very simple sleeve to make, and I'll be using the slash and spread technique to make this. So first of all, you're going to have your basic sleeve pattern. So this is my basic sleeve pattern. I'll link it down in the comment section where you're going to watch the tutorial on how to make a basic sleeve. So here is my fabric. So the sleeve stops on my elbow line, so I'm just going to measure my elbow line and cut it off. So this sleeve is a long sleeve, okay, is of shoulder to the wrist level, but I'm going to mark this on the elbow level, then cut it out. Okay, so I'll cut it out before I'll now do my slash and spread technique for this. So just mark the center of this, and I'll go ahead to do my slash and spread technique. So the center is where you're going to be doing the slash and spread. Do you understand? So you can mark more slash lines, but I'll just be doing just this one. This one is okay. So depending on how wide it is, but even if you slash it at the center only, you're still going to get as much fullness as you want. So spread this as much as you want. So I'm just going to have my fabric here like this. Can you see? So this is my fabric here. So I have it on fold. So that means I'll be cutting my two sleeve at once. The sleeve here is a full sleeve, not an half sleeve, so that's why we're going to open it up this way. Then I'll just go ahead to pin it down and cut out my sleeve. So this sleeve here there's already seam allowance on the sleeve, so I don't need to really add any seam allowance on the fabric. So I'll just go ahead to check out the distance that I have on this fabric. So you can spread this as much as you want. Okay, you can spread this as much as you want. So I think I have about 10 inches for the distance that I added here. I think this is 12 inches. Okay, 12 inches. So I'll just go ahead to connect it together here. Can you see how I connected it together? So this is going to give us the shape of what we are. So using the slash and spread is really an effective way to add fullness to your pattern, to bring out your pleats or your flare like this. So I'll cut this and I'll go ahead to start sewing. So I've used my fabric to cut out the lining too. So you're going to need lining for this. So remove your pattern. Then I'll be joining this together at the hem. Okay, you're going to join your lining together at the hem. So make sure the right side of the fabric is facing the right side of your lining. So you're going to join it together at the hem. So after you finish joining them together at the hem, then you're going to join them together at the side. So once you're done joining it together at the hem, make sure you fold this together. Make sure the side of the lining is facing the lining, and also the fashion fabric is facing the fashion fabric. So this method is going to help you to conceal the joining together of the sleeve at the side. So make sure your fashion fabric is facing the fashion fabric, and also the lining is facing the lining. So I'll just go ahead to join this together with the seam allowance that I added to the fabric. Okay, so this is all for this tutorial. So after you are done with this, just turn this together, okay, and iron it before you fix this into your armhole. Okay, so I'll be fixing this into the hammer. Once you're done joining it this way, just turn it, okay, and you're going to see that there is not going to be showing any of the side seam. Can you see this? So this is what we have for this. So go ahead to iron this and also fix it into your armhole. So this is your sleeve. Can you see? So I'll fix this into the armhole. So make sure you iron it before you fix it into the armhole. Make sure you iron it flat. And here is the final result. So the rest of the tutorial for this dress is live on this channel. So check the description box for the links to watch the cupped bustier and also the flare skirt. So thank you. See you in the next tutorial.